Hi guys, how are you doing today? I'm sorry if I do look a little different today because I'm not wearing any makeup today, and also I'm not wearing my nicer, newer clothes because I didn't want to get them ruined, but I thought it would be a good idea if I went and did a little art project. So I got these jars that were in my kitchen, and I thought, you know, it would be cool if I can just put like a little candle in here, but I'm gonna do more than just put a little candle in here. So I got diamonds and stuff like that, but they're not real diamonds. They're only these like fake diamonds I got from the Dollar Tree. And these are the diamonds. And I'm gonna put them at the bottom of the jar and stuff like that after I am done like painting the lids and stuff like that I'm gonna do with the jars. But I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna start to paint these lids and things like that I'm gonna do. So I got this paint that I got from the Dollar Tree as well, and also had to go get the brush over there too. So I think I'm just gonna like pat this all over the lid, because I just don't want to have like any streaks on the top of this. I just thought it would make it look more professional if I did that. Don't want streaks, don't want streaks, don't want streaks. Just want to pat this all over. I think I'm going to have to do a couple coats of paint to really make sure that nothing underneath is going to be showing on these lids. But I don't think I'm going to be filming me painting these whole lids, because I don't think you guys want to see that unless if I don't know, I maybe figure out a way for me to like speed things up. I know I'm not that skilled at editing, but I think it would be a good idea if I decided to do that part of the editing. If I could figure that out, of course, but I'm just going to do it like this for now. Oh, you guys have been on my hands already, so I'm going to have to turn off the camera for now so you guys don't get bored of this. So far, I have all the lids painted. Now I just have to go get the ribbon and put them on top of the lids. And I'm not on top of the lids, but I'm going to put them like right here on them. And I will put a bow on it, or try to see if I could put a bow on it. And I just thought it was a cute idea for me to do that. So I got these fake candles, and I decided to start putting them in the jars already along with the fake diamonds. Can't wait to see how this looks. It's gonna look very pretty. Okay, are you guys ready to see what I made? Ta-da! I just think that this would look really cute for maybe either a wedding or a bridal shower. I had a really hard time trying to make the ribbons on these because I tried to super glue them, and I had a hard time of trying to tie the little ribbons on there because you're supposed to tie them like they're shoelaces, and that's how I did that. But it's not perfect, but I still think it looks pretty cute at least. I just thought I would get a shot of them in the dark because I just think it would look really pretty like this. And I thought that you guys want to see that too. Before I forget to film an outro, I figured I'll film the outro in the bathroom because there's better lighting in my bathroom than there is in my living room right now because it's nighttime, and usually most of the time I am filming in the daytime, usually for most of my videos, if you guys are wondering. And my name is Brittany Corwood, and I am Crazy Beautiful here on YouTube, so thank you for watching and have a nice day. Happy crafting!